and good afternoon. Today is a new day and we're still, where Gigi?
We're still in Manila in the Philippines.
But look, I found here something guys. Hello.
Every day the cats, oh they're so cute.
Hey, apparently there's a lot of cats here. And just like that, oh look, this place looks interesting.
Unlimited wings and rice. I think that's for us.
Unlimited wings and rice, okay. Single but yummy. Dip to go.
Yeah.
Open now.
Yes.
Buy or take away.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and buy and not take away.
Okay.
After you, Gigi.
Yo, there's some unlimited stuff. This looks nice.
Okay. I have no idea what's gonna happen, but I'm gonna sit myself down and I'm gonna wait for the food. What did you order, Gigi?
So, these are the options. I'm very curious to taste them. I got myself cheesy garlic and mango habanero.
Yes, and I got myself some honey mustard and hickory smoke. Okay.
If it's smoked, it should be good, right?
Yes. Smoke is always good, Gigi.
So, I think we're gonna have unlimited chicken.
Unlimited chicken? How is that working?
Your stomach is probably gonna explode.
I'm drooling already, Gigi.
Yeah. And rice, unlimited rice.
Okay, sounds cool. Let's see. I'm curious to see how the unlimited chicken works. Is it one chicken that goes on forever and ever and ever?
I don't know, but I think it's a very long chicken. But I think it's a really nice thing to have in Manila because I haven't seen something like this in other parts of Southeast Asia. Maybe we didn't search for them, but this one
No idea.
was really...
Let's see the unlimited chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, so the deal is you get one of these portions and they keep on coming 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 and it's always rice and wings and you eat till you cannot anymore. Okay, let's see.
Round one. Fight.
Good wings. Smoke it.
I think this is a cheese garlic.
Yes, nice chicken wing. Very good. Let me try the other ones, the
Yummy. Really good.
yellowy ones. These ones are sweet. Gigi, even though the list says specifically no sharing, can we exchange one?
Okay, sure.
I give you mine, and you give me yours. Because I want to try the spicy one.
I like it. Just look at the sauce and everything on it. It's really tasty.
Oh yes. Good spicy one.
Very mild spicy. It's not spicy at all. I mean, it's a bit spicy, but you can eat it. Thank you.
Thank you. Just in time, because I want to try some of this rice. And I cannot eat rice with my hand. If there's one thing I cannot do, is eat rice with my hand. Okay, rice. I'm curious though, every time you order a new portion, you get one rice as well? So I think that's the deal. Because otherwise they would run out of business very quick. So we have to finish both the rice and the chicken. And then got another one rice and chicken, another one rice and chicken. I don't know, Gigi. We will find out. Let's finish what we have here and let's see how much unlimited the unlimited chicken is. So far, very good. The spicy one spicy, the smoky one smoky, the sweet one sweet.
And I'm super hungry, so that fits.
Yep.
I think we're nearby the student campuses. There's a lot of students around, so this might be one of the restaurants for students, maybe?
No idea, but unlimited chicken sounds good to me at this point.
In any kind of neighborhood you find yourself in.
Yes.
No, no spicy.
Spicy.
You want spicy?
Spicy buffalo, sir. I recommend spicy buffalo.
Thank you.
One spicy buffalo.
Yeah.
And for me,
let's try teriyaki.
Teriyaki?
Yeah.
Okay, one teriyaki.
Okay. No more rice. I don't understand anymore. My brain is officially fried. But as long as the wings keep coming, I'm happy. So far, one round done. Round 2 starting now.
Round 2. Fight.
It's right there. Very good.
And I don't know. Cheesy garlic as well.
And round number 3.
They look nice. Just look at them. Saucy.
Round 3. Fight.
I think the one with the sauce goes smoother inside. You can eat it easier.
Slide.
I have one wing here, one in my plate, and 1, 2, 3 more here. 3 wings more here. And
So you piled up.
I piled up, and now I'm taking like a short break before, not a break, but like I breathe before I order something else, but my food still goes strong. Here's one after the other one, the other.
Yes, my pile is getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Very good. I love chicken wings.
I think.
And combined with rice, good combo, actually. And one more for me. Gigi, you have to catch up.
Yeah. I'm catching up now. Oh my goodness.
Round 4. Fight.
I had no idea. We were gonna have like a chicken wing competition or something.
It's not a competition, Gigi, it's just like if life hands you chickens, you make wings.
I still have 3 more to go. I don't know if I should order another one. Let's see. I think back in the day I could have eaten more, but now I'm not used to eating as much. So Michael, what do you think about Manila so far?
Good food, Manila has. Very good food.
You've spoken like Yoda. Good food Manila has.
Round 5. Fight. Final round. Fight.
Officially, I think after 6 rounds of wings, I'm done.
Flawless victory. Fatality.
25 wings for me.
Excellent.
And how many rounds for you, Gigi?
Less than that.
Less than that. My pile is this one, and your pile is that one.
Yeah.
Okay, time to call it quits because we still want to walk around the city. I could eat more, but then again I would be lying on my back and not move anymore. So, time to go. Thank you. Very good food. Thank you so much. Can I get more napkins because I haven't finished? Thank you. I have a question for you. How many wings did one person eat in total, the maximum amount ever?
Per box.
I don't know, how many wings in total was the
For
record?
the whole day,
Yeah.
depends. So
No, one person. One person
Oh, one
eating,
person.
one sitting, yes.
sometimes 30 pieces.
30 pieces?
Yeah.
Okay, I made
Can be
25.
25. Like that.
Okay, I made 35, so it's good?
It's good.
Okay, thank you. I pay to you or?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man. Very good food. I enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. And we are going to explore Manila.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care, guys. Thank you.
Bye bye. Have a nice day. And Gigi, hopefully we're gonna have a nice day because the weather is looking interesting today. We tried the unlimited chicken and the unlimited chicken proved out to be very good.
I cannot breathe anymore, but that's
Me too, I'm full. Now we can go and explore more, and thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe and share, like, blah 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 blah.
yes, guys. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, and help us make more videos.
Yes, thank you, bye bye.